8, 9, 10. What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity and welcome to another episode of Study Break, where we get to take a break from our busy lives and break. Today, we're gonna be training our Indian steps. And Indian steps, as you know, are a more technical top rock step, which a lot of people tend to struggle with and also have issues with the form. So today we're gonna take our time and really train it so that we could, again, have good form. All right, here we go. So those of you guys who follow my videos, we have done a number of techniques to work on our form, from being able to work on our grapevine, being able to do our grapevine in place, right? But in this video, we wanna focus just on the actual Indian step, going back and forth. So to start, we're gonna do 10 really slow, thinking about our form, okay? So, it's very simple. It goes kick, step down, cross, okay? When we cross, we wanna make sure that our hip swings over, and then when we step back, our leg swings back, we turn, and it goes kick. Now that, for most people, is the trickiest part. So again, from that last kick, it goes step down, cross, again making sure your hip crosses, step back, turn, and kick, down, cross. We go 5, down, cross, and 6, down, cross, and 7, down, cross, and 8, down, cross, and 9, down, cross. All right, let's stop there. Now, as I mentioned, a lot of people have issues with the second half. So kick, down, cross, I think it's pretty easy. But when we come back, this is what a lot of people have issues with. So what I want you guys to focus on this time, bend your leg back, turn, kick. Okay, let's keep it going. Ready? It goes 2, down, turn, kick. Ready? Down, cross, step back. Remember, turn, kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross. Even slower, turning, kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross. Last one, it goes kick, down, cross. All right, you guys, so forgive me if I was off count, but that was our next 10. Again, really just focusing on that form going back and forth. And again, most people have issues with this turn. Boom, boom. Okay, so let's continue. This time we're gonna go all the way to 20 and really just working on our form and our rhythm of this step, okay? So, again, same thing. Starting with our leg, we're gonna start off slow, and if we feel comfortable, we'll pick up speed, okay? Here we go. Goes kick, down, cross, back, kick, down, cross. Don't forget to bend the leg, kick, down, cross, and 4, down, cross, and 5, down, cross, and 6, down, cross, and 7, down, cross, and 8, down, cross, and 9, down, cross, and 10, down, cross, and 11, down, cross, and 12, down, cross, 13, down, cross, 14, down, cross, 15, down, cross, 16, down, cross, 17, down, cross, 18, down, cross, 19, down, cross. Last one, 20, down, cross. Nice job. Make sure your shoes are tied. Now, before we speed up or do anything too crazy, let's consider the rest of our body, right? Our body position, our hands, all that stuff matters. So our next part is our weight shift, okay? Let's try it. Ready? When we go kick, down, cross, we lean forward. When we step back, we lean back. and we go kick, down, cross, back, kick, down, cross. Remember, when we cross, we lean forward. When we step back, we actually lean back. Again, kick, down, cross, and 5, down, cross, and 6, down, cross, and 7, down, cross, and 8, down, cross, and 9, down, cross, and 10, down, cross. All right. Now, another detail we often overlook is our hands. And there's so many things you can do with your hands, but to keep it simple, especially if you're a beginner and you just want it to simply look nice and clean, let's just do something simple. Put our hand on our head when we cross, okay? So let's try it. Ready? Next 10. Ready? It goes kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and 5, down, cross, and 6, down, cross, and 7, down, cross, and 8, down, cross, and 9, down, cross, 10, down, cross. All right. Again, just being cautious of what you're doing with your hands, because you just don't want to do this, right? You got to keep in mind, dancing is a total body experience, and we want to be involved the whole time, including your hands. Okay. Now, we have now reached 60 Indian steps, right? It's about time that we start making it look like dancing. It's now time for us to potentially speed up and kind of get comfortable doing this in a rhythmic fashion. So the next 20, we're gonna do it consecutively, and we're gonna try, instead of just like stepping casually, we're gonna try to go like bounce, right? And doing it all on our toes, right? So instead of just like being flat-footed and stepping over, right? We wanna be all on our toes, so it's a kick, down, cross, back, right? All the way through, okay? Starting from the beginning again, let's start a little slow, and we'll pick a speed. Ready? It goes 1, down, cross, back, 2, down, cross, back, 3, down, cross, back, 4, down, cross, back, 5, down, cross, back, 6, down, cross, back, 7, down, cross, back, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tie your shoes. We're almost there. We're almost to 100. We've reached 80 Indian steps. And again, we just want to get comfortable. We want to make sure that when we dance, we don't have to think about this stuff anymore. So at this point, if you were looking at your feet at all, right, we want to break that habit. The last 20. Let's focus on looking straight forward, whether you're looking at the screen, at your friend, at the wall, at some objects you see, doesn't matter. Let's look straight forward, and let's focus on all aspects of our form, right? Our feet, our body position, our hands, our facing, okay? Ready, last 20, and it goes kick, down, cross, kick, down, cross, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, nice job, you guys. We have completed 100 Indian steps from beginning to end, and again, really considering what our form looks like, what our Indian step actually looks like, and so that we train it to look nice. Always keep in mind, the way you train is the way you perform. If you just rush through these, who knows what it's gonna look like, all right? Think of it like your handwriting. If you just scribble through your handwriting, you're gonna have scribble handwriting. So take your time with your steps so you have a nice dancing, okay? If you guys like content like this, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, and also leave me a comment about what you want to see next. And if you guys want to train more closely with me, you guys can always hop into my training group on Patreon, link below. We do monthly workshops and we get working on lots of different topics. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.